Hi, this is Mike J. Welcome back to the channel. What I want to talk about here today is I want to give an update on that silver 19 PP car that I vlogged that had a little bit of a whining noise. And what I did was I put it on a 44-second video to see what it sounded like. And of course, most of you that did watch the video did acknowledge that there is a whining noise on the car. Well, just yesterday, the dealership actually gave me a call back. This is what they told me, is that there was nothing wrong with the car. They didn't find anything wrong with the car. In fact, what was causing it, or what they said it was causing it, was the DI, the direct injection fuel rails that were making those noises. Now, the thing is that I did drive two more other PP cars the next few days later, and they both made the same kind of noise, but this one was louder. And the only thing that I can think of is that the day that I drove that car, it was very cold in Phoenix. Like I said, the temperatures here don't get to the low 30s and mid 30s, and this whole past week has just been really cold. What I'm going to do is Monday I am going to go and take a look at that car again, fire it up, and see if it will still make the noises that I got on film of it being louder than the other two cars. So anyways, there was nothing wrong with the car apparently. So they did say to me that a lot of people had complained about the Coyote motors that's in the F-150. They sell a lot more of those, so therefore they've been having trucks in the past, people complaining also with noises. I want to give a shout out to a new YouTuber. His channel is 19 Coyote 50. So it's with a 5 and a O, 0 or 0 or O-H, like Hawaii 50. It's 19 Coyote 50. He's got a Xander car, believe it or not. It's got a few less options than Xander's car, but he lives in Montreal, Canada, where it's cold as hell. I have an aunt that lives in Montreal, Canada, and she's actually here in Phoenix as we speak for about 5 weeks to escape the cold. But anyways, a lot of people complain about the ticks in the Mustang when it's cold. Okay, he lives in Montreal. He's got a few videos of his car where there's snow on the ground, and I listened to his car, and his car is just like perfect. So check out his video, and give him a subscribe, and that would let you know what a car sounds like in a colder climate. And I don't think anybody's going to be colder than Montreal, Canada. But anyways, a shout out to you, 19 Coyote 50. So what I'm going to do is once I get the car, when I go down there on Monday, start it up, ran up to the temperature, and take it for a drive, we're going to recheck it and see if it's still going to make that whining noise. But anyways, that is an update on that silver PP car, if you guys were wondering what was happening to it. And it didn't get to it until like Friday because they were backed up, so what they say, over because of the New Year's being closed. But anyways, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, comment. Tap the notification bell for future videos. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.